Okay, so you have this question. Should you get into affiliate marketing or self-publishing? You want to make money online? What should you choose? In this video, I'm going to reply to you. So let's get the ball rolling. Howdy boys and ladies and gentlemen, girls of all over the world. This is going to be one of those amazing videos like always, where I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing versus self-publishing. What is the best way for you to make money online? And in this video, let's talk about that. If you don't know, my name is Alexo, and if you still haven't liked this video, go right below, click on the thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can get more of this type of videos on a weekly basis, where I share with you a lot of advice related to self-publishing and several ways for you to make money online. And if you still are struggling with your self-publishing business, you still haven't reached those $1,000 per month, you would like to get there. But not only that, keep scaling that business month after month like you were selling hotcakes, then check out my newest course called Self-Publishing Money Machine. I'm going to leave a link right below in the description from this video. Just click on it so you can get more information. Now let's get things awesomely running, whatever that means. I have my bandana today because this is serious business, okay? This is serious business. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, I made this beautiful graph just for you. Pros and cons about affiliate marketing. Let's compare both of them so you can get an idea. Okay, pros, learn useful skills. You learn a lot of skills when it comes to affiliate marketing. It kind of depends on the way that you're going to promote your own affiliate products. Okay, you can get for example, websites that people commonly refer to as JVZoo, ClickBank, although I don't consider them like ideal platforms for you to get products to promote, because many of those products are super cheap and it's hard for you to make some decent money with those products. Anyway, those are commonly the most popular ones out there. Anyway, you can promote your products through your website, through your YouTube channel, using paid advertisement like Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on. And I mean, learning how to make a website or YouTube channel and producing videos and so on, there's a lot of useful skills that you learn by doing that. Okay, so there's a lot of useful skills that you can use later on to promote your products, because it's basically the same thing. And that's what I want to talk about on the second point. If you are able to sell affiliate products, then you can sell your own products. It is a lot harder for you to promote products that belong to other people and convince people to click on your link and purchase a product that doesn't belong to you. So it's a lot harder for you to do that. And if you are able to do that, then you, of course, can also sell your own products. And that is one of the great things about affiliate marketing. You can start nearly free. Once again, you don't need to have a website if you don't want, but you can start nearly free, because you can build, for example, a YouTube channel, review products that belong to other people. That's essentially affiliate marketing. And you can review those products. And once you start getting some visitors to your, some views to your videos, some people are going to click on that link, purchase that product from your link, and you get a commission. So you can start nearly free, and that is a great thing. Have more autonomy. Okay, although YouTube is not a great example, but for example, you can build a blog where you review affiliate products, where you also have content that kind of is connected to those products that you're promoting. And you have more autonomy when it comes to having your own website. Of course, you have the host provider, which I mean is the one who has your websites installed on their servers, but still you have more autonomy when it comes to that. Can make a lot of money with high-ticket products. I particularly don't like. I don't recommend for you, if you want to get into affiliate marketing and you want to make some decent earnings, I recommend for you to go for high ticket products. I don't recommend for you to promote $15 products, because until you make some decent amount of money selling, promoting $15 products, you really need to get a lot of sales. And sometimes promoting cheap products is as hard as promoting expensive products. It takes basically the same work. I mean, if you need to review a cheap product, you can also review a more expensive product and make a lot more money whenever someone purchases a more expensive product. Commonly, people have this idea that people online only purchase cheap products, and it's just harder for you to successfully sell more expensive products. It's not exactly like that, okay? That is just your own mindset. So if you want to get into affiliate marketing, I recommend for you to promote higher ticket products rather than the cheap products. And that's the reason why I don't like so much JVZoo and ClickBank, is because most of the products over there are cheap products, and you really don't make much money by promoting those products, okay? And it takes a lot of work still to promote cheap products. Okay, let's talk about the cons. Steep learning curve. Okay, if you decide to build a website, if you decide to, or even a YouTube channel, whatever, it still takes a steep learning curve. For example, for you to build a website, you need to learn how to use WordPress, which is the platform that allows you to easily build a website without having any kind of technical knowledge. You don't need to learn HTML, CSS, and all of that coding to build a website. And that takes, it's a steep learning curve. It may take a couple of weeks until you have a website and you kind of know how to manage your website. You also need to learn how to optimize your website so you can get visitors from Google and from other search engines. You also need to learn how to write decent content that entices people to get the affiliate products from you. So there's a lot of things that you need to learn, and it may take months of you learning so you can know all of these different skills, okay? So there's a steep learning curve. May take time to make money. That's another thing. I mean, it kind of depends on the type of traffic that you decide to get. But if you're talking about organic traffic, that means that it's people who find your videos on YouTube, or people who go to Google and find a web page from your website. It may take time until that happens. For example, a website, until you start getting some visitors to your website and it ranks well on Google, it may take 6 to 9 months. So it may take quite some time until you start making money with your website or with your YouTube channel and so on. But I mean, this kind of depends. I mean, you can get always paid traffic and you can start making money after, I don't know, it doesn't take long if you're getting paid traffic. But you also need to know what you're doing, or otherwise you're just going to pay for traffic and not make money. So there's a lot of things that you need over here. Problems with product owners. This is something that a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to affiliate marketing, and it's something that happens. I mean, you just run into problems with the people who, or the product owners. I mean, the products that you're promoting. Sometimes this you run into problems where you make sales and the product owner just doesn't pay you. That is something that happens. It has happened to me, and it's something that you should expect. You don't own those products, and sometimes you get sales, they don't count, or you go to the dashboard where you're able to see the sales that you made, and nothing appears over there, although you know that you made the sale. Or you have that type of problems where the product owners simply don't pay your commissions. It's something that happens. It doesn't happen always. It's not like something that is super frequent to happen, but it happens. It has happened to me, and it will probably happen to you if you decide to get into affiliate marketing. Let's talk about self-publishing. And I need some water because my throat is getting dry. What is so great about self-publishing? And it's One of the things is really about making money. After you publish a book on Amazon, which is the platform I suggest for you to publish your books, of course, there are other platforms, but Amazon is the biggest e-commerce website in the world, so you should take advantage of that. And after you publish a book on Amazon, you can make money after 24 hours or 48 hours. I'm not saying that you're going to make massive amounts of money, but you start making your first dollars online. And for a beginner, that is something that motivates you. Instead with affiliate marketing, you probably will need to wait months until you start seeing your first commissions. Easy entry. Okay, that is one of the reasons why a lot of people get into self-publishing. There's an easy entry. The learning curve is not as steep as with affiliate marketing. I'm not saying that you don't need to learn a lot of things, but nothing compared to affiliate marketing. Okay, you don't when it comes to affiliate marketing, you probably need to learn how to use several platforms, how to get traffic, and all those things. And over here, you don't need to worry about that because Amazon already has millions of people going to their website every single day. So that part is kind of resolved, and you don't need to worry about that. And the thing that you need to worry about is publishing books over there and learning how to put those books right in front of the correct audience. That is what you need to learn. And you can learn that by getting my course. And you got a link right below to my course, Self-Publishing Money Machine. Gotta tell you that. Good scaling potential and great money cow. I like that. And this is one of those businesses that you can scale up to a good amount of earnings. Probably after a few months, you're making about $5,000, $4,000 per month. And you can scale up to about $8,000, $10,000. After that, I don't recommend to, if you can, of course, go for more, but after that, it's kind of dangerous. And I'm going to talk about why that is dangerous. And it's a great money cow, okay? It's a great way for you to, you can use your self-publishing business to finance other online or offline businesses. Great source of passive income. This is really one of those sources that once you publish a book and you know what you are doing, you publish a high quality book, and I'm not talking about publishing crappy books. You publish a good book, that book may generate money for you for months and months to come, okay? Even years. I have a book that is making, it's not even making huge amounts of money at this point, but it's still making $300 every single month. And I published this book like 2-3 years ago. And it doesn't take any effort from my part. Okay, that is why this is probably one of the most passive businesses online, self-publishing. Amazon is reliable in their payments. Okay, if you sold your books, you should expect that you will receive your money after 60 days. Okay, when it comes to that, they are reliable compared to affiliate marketing. You never know if the person who you are promoting is going to pay your commissions or not. Most people do. Most people are honest with that, but there's always a few, you could say, rotten apples in between. Okay, cons: you have no autonomy. Amazon owns your ass. Okay, you're publishing books on their platform, and this is the reason why once you get to a certain point with your business, let's say that you're making $8,000 per month, it is a good idea for you to start thinking about other businesses, because once again, you don't want to have all of your money coming from Amazon, because they can decide to ban or close your account for any reason, and they don't need to really provide you any excuse to do that. And once they do it, it's hard for you to recover your account, if even possible for you to recover your account. And Amazon simply doesn't care. They make billions and billions of dollars every single month, and they don't care about the few dollars that they make with you. So it is a good idea for once you get to a certain amount of money for you to start thinking about another business. Most skills aren't useful. I don't care about what other people say, but yes, publishing books is always useful. Later on, if you decide to publish your own book and be the author, you have those skills. But most skills that you learn when it comes to self-publishing, you can't really transfer to other areas. Like, I mean, you don't learn like to build a website or a YouTube channel when you're publishing. Of course, you can do that if you want, but in most cases, you don't need that because you're using Amazon, which is a website that is already built and you don't need to worry about that. You're already getting traffic from Amazon. And most of the skills that you learn through self-publishing isn't really that useful to other businesses, for other businesses online and even offline, okay? So that is one of the problems that you have with self-publishing. And last thoughts about this, okay? So if you are starting up, self-publishing is definitely a more straightforward business for beginners, okay? I don't care about what other people out there say when it comes to affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing isn't exactly a piece of cake. It's not an easy way for you to make money online. It is a way for you to make money online, and you can do a fair amount of money with affiliate marketing, but it's not that simple as some people out there try to make it out and seem. But, and this is the major con for me, but you don't learn many transferable skills, as I already explained. Besides, Amazon owns your book business, and that is something that you always need to be cautious. Once you get to a certain amount of money, you should think about other online or even offline businesses, okay, or investments or whatever you want to do. Now, in affiliate marketing, you learn useful skills such as building a website, such as building a YouTube channel, such as a lot of things. You learn a lot of useful skills. You can also build an email newsletter. You learn how to write enticing posts and enticing emails that you need to send to your subscribers so people will get your products and so on. And a lot of these skills that you can use later on to build your own brand where you promote your own products or services, okay? So you learn a lot of useful things because building a website is always a useful skill. Furthermore, you have more control over the platforms where you promote your affiliate products. Because, I mean, you have more control over your website. Most likely, compared to Amazon, I mean, Amazon can all of a sudden just cancel your account, just shut your account, and it's kind of game over. But with your own website, it's kind of harder for that to happen. Okay, even though you have your website installed on servers that belong to another company, but still, it's just a lot harder for that to happen. So you have more autonomy. Okay, so this is the difference between affiliate marketing and self-publishing. If you want to get started, I recommend for you to go to self-publishing. It's just an easier business. And later on, once you're making some money with self-publishing, if you decide you can get into affiliate marketing or even promote your own products, go for it. At least at that point, you're already making some money online, and that always motivates you to just keep going, okay? Once again, that is all for this video. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment section right below. Also, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you still haven't checked my course, go right below. Click on that link so you can check Self-Publishing Money Machine. Okay, that is all for now. Stay tuned with Joe and Alexo, and bye.